having a blog or a website of your own out there is really a good opportunity for you to start earning money online. So there are different ways of monetizing your blog, either with affiliate marketing, running ads on your website, or simply just offering your own services that you can actually be able to rank for on Google search results. So that, let's say maybe you're a logo designer or your website designer, once you rank on Google search for such a keyword, you'll be able to generate a lot of leads for your business and so forth. So basically, I'm running down on this challenge on building a website within a couple of days or weeks. So basically, I just want to give you an update on this. So in the previous video, the first video of this section, I basically showed you how to get your own domain, how to get your own website hosting. So basically, I went for the $3.88, so let's just say $4 a month payment, but you can go for the $2.95, whereby you can actually pay once off, which will cost you about $70 for less than $100 a year. So that's the best opportunity that you can actually get. But I had to get this one because yes, it is more expensive, but then I know what exactly I wanted. But if you're just starting out and you just want to set a basic blog, a website that can actually generate a lot of traffic and help you increase your income online, then definitely the $2.95 is the best option to go with. So I'm going to leave a link down below so that you get that discount while it's still available if you're interested in that and getting started. So basically, once you get started, oh, by the way, before we go on with this channel, with this video, if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button down below, turn notifications, leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Like the video and let me know what you think of what's going on in this video, right? If you got any questions and so forth. You can also join the Facebook group that I'm going to leave a link down below, where we're trying to build a community of online marketers, you know, how to build your own online business and so forth. So you can join that Facebook group. It's still new, so there's not a lot of action or a lot of members, but I really appreciate it if you start joining now, right? So let's get into today's video. So once you get your WordPress hosting or with Bluehost, so WordPress is basically automatically installed. So all you have to do is to come to your dashboard, to your WordPress dashboard. So there's a way that I want to show you on how to actually get your website up and running very, very quickly, right? So as you can see, I was just updating my theme. So it's very essential that you keep updating your, whenever you see updates, they'll actually notify you with this here. You see notifications there. So you just click on it and then update so that your website security is always up to date, away from the hackers and so forth, right? So it just protects you from hackers and so forth. So you want to keep your website secure. So that's why I'm always updating it. But once you log in, you want to come to your dashboard. So there's a quick and easy way to actually get started with your blog. So you can literally get your website up and running within just an hour. So I don't want to make this video that long, but I'm going to show you the basics of how to get your website on and going very, very easy. So if you don't know how to get your domain, check out the previous videos on this channel. Just check out the link below, and then it will take you to that to the previous videos, right? So that you can get your domain and get started. So basically, once you get your domain, I'll say that's actually okay, it is the most important part, but that's actually the longer part than building your own website, because I'm going to show you a quick trick here that you can actually get your website up and running in no time. So once you log in, we have what we call themes, right? So a theme basically just allows you to install a website that is already pre-built, and then you can just customize it into your own. So there's thousands and thousands of themes, free themes that you can use on WordPress. And then I'm going to show you how to install this, which is basically a plugin. So you go to plugins, and then let's just open this a new tab. So that's a plugin that we're going to using to edit a website that is already pre-built, and then we're going to be making it our own. Okay, like editing the details, editing the information, you know, and everything. So I'm just going to show you a quick rundown on that, on how it goes. So it was pretty much easy for me. So I was able to create my website. It's not yet fully built. As I said, this website is basically for my YouTube channel, just to make it easier for people to navigate on what the website is all about, of what my channel is all about, what we talk about on different channels. So as you can see, my home and then online businesses. So I'm going to be sharing with you the different online businesses that I'm venturing into, you know, different ways of making money online that I've started already and that I'm seeing progress with. So I'm going to be sharing you how I'm doing it, and if you're interested in that, so you can actually get started with it, where to find the information and so forth, you know, just to make it easier, right? So manage to work. So on this one, I'm actually just sharing the different investing opportunities that I'm venturing into as well, that I've started doing, that I'm seeing good progress with. So this is just where you'll be able to find those, and I'll make different videos on this channel. So hit the subscribe button, turn notification. You don't want to miss any of those. I mean, we need to make money online, right? So if you're interested in that, that's what this whole website is all about. That's what this channel is all about. So you don't want to miss anything. So I'll let you know when the website is really is actually up and running, when it's actually fully on. Because right now I'm still customizing it. I still have a lot of things to actually add onto this whole thing. Right. So this is just a theme. This is just a pre-built website that I'm editing into, making it my own. So marketing on websites and free crypto, which is what the most of these videos on this channel, probably that's what got you on this channel, because I've shared a lot of ways that I'm making, that I'm earning, that I'm able to get some free cryptocurrencies out there using different websites and software. And then about it. As you can see here, you got two ways to edit. So you can edit with Elementor, which is the best way to do it, because it's just easy, drag and drop. Edit with the edit page, that's basically with WordPress itself, so the plugin for WordPress to be able to edit your website and so forth. I prefer using both for different purposes. This one is easier to, when you want to let's say you want to edit something like this whole page, right, that one specific page. But this one, it allows you to be able to navigate between all your pages and be able to edit them without having to open a new tab every time or reload the page, right? So that's the only difference. That's why I use both of them when editing my website. But you can choose what's preferable to you, depending on how you editing your site. So this just basically makes it easier for you. You get your free to use images and so forth. So all the images that are actually there, they're stock images that you can use. So you don't have to worry about that. So basically with themes, once you come to the themes page, you can come and search here. So what you want to search for, the basic theme that I have is this one called Astra right here. So you just simply search for it, and then once it comes out, and then you install it. So once you install it, you activate it, right? So once you activate, then you see the customize button. So once you click customize, that's when you'll be able to see something like this, and then you can either edit it with this one or with this one. So let me just open edit with Elementor so that you can actually see what it is all about. Once you click on that, you'll be able to edit your website step by step down to every single detail on your website, so which is pretty amazing. So you have almost full control of your whole website. If you want to add, like what I said in the previous video, when you want to monetize your website using running ads and so forth, you'll be able to add HTML tags, which will be supplied by your ads manager or whatsoever you'll be using, right? So you can simply click on HTML and then add the code, and you'll be good to go. And that's the easiest way to monetize your channel, right, or your website. So this is basically how it looks when it comes to editing. You'll be able to add different sections, images and so forth, buttons and so forth, and then you'll be able to just to edit whatever you want to edit on your here. So as you can see, it's very easy. It's like copy and paste. You can literally text that and then paste it again, and that you can Control Z just to remove anything that you didn't want to edit, or if you make any mistakes, right? So it's very much easy to edit with this website. It's very quick. As I said, in literally 1 hour you can have everything all going and up and running. So very, very much easy. There's a lot of customizing to do that you can do down to every single detail, just to make your website as perfect as you want it to be. And the best part about WordPress is that it's already made for tablet and mobile. So it's mobile compatible. So you can literally just switch just like that, like what I did, and be able to modify your website on how it should look on your mobile, on your tablet, and then on your bigger screens. Like if I modify something just for the mobile, it will stay on the mobile phone. It will not affect my website view on the website, on the mobile screen, on the bigger screens, or on the tablet. So that's really great part about WordPress. And as I said, it powers over 30% of the world's websites. That's millions upon millions of websites out there. So this is really a great place to get started when it comes to your website and so forth. So that's basically how you install the theme. So once you got the theme, what you want to do is go to your plugins, and as I showed you how to install your plugin, you click on here, add new, or go to the plugins, and then just come and add new plugin. So what you want to do when you go to add new plugin. Let me just open this in a new tab. You want to search for this Astra Starter site. So Astra Starter site, that's a mouthful to say, but that's basically what you want to search for. Or once you search for it, you'll be able to install it, right? So you just come in here, search for it, just paste it or type it out, Astra Starter page, and then that's the one, right? So you'll be able to install it. Once you install this one, all the other necessary ones will be able to install. But as you can see, for the first time, it will be just like this. You install it and then you hit activate, so it'll be able to activate. So you don't need a lot of plugins, because they will slow down your website. So I'm just showing you the necessary ones that you need. So what's the purpose of this plugin? Well, you're going to be amazed, because this is the only plugin that you're going to need to create your website. It just simplifies everything. Okay, so if you go back to our appearance and then go to Astra options. So these options will actually come now once you install your Astra plugin. You have this option of Astra sites, right? So if you click on it, you'll be able to import any website that you see there that is pre-built, so that you can start editing it straight away. So before you install the Astra options or the Astra theme and plugin, you won't be able to see these options right here. But as soon as you install them, then they will be available for you. So all you have to do now is to click on Astra Starter sites, and then you'll be able to see a lot of websites that are similar to what you want to design. So once you see a design that is similar to what you want to design, it just makes it easier for you to basically, it's almost like copy and paste, but I wouldn't want to recommend that you copy and paste other people's stuff. Just get their website and then edit it. So the ones with the agency, those are paid for. You have to upgrade to get those, but you can simply click on the free tab and then get all these beautiful websites that you can edit straight away. If you're interested in buying them, that's up to you, but just to keep at the minimum budget for monthly, just to spend at least less than $5 to $10. I think $10 maximum. Actually, if you go straight to what I'm doing right now, you literally spend less than $5. All you need to spend is the $3 per month just to keep your website, the hosting ongoing and so forth. So if you do once-off payment, which I recommend, the $70, the $100 plus, it just amounts to that. If you add the securities and so forth, that's a once-off for a year. Then you're done for that year. All you have to do is just to maintain your website and make sure that everything is going well. So basically, these are all websites that you'll be able to import. So once you click on it, you can actually preview it and just see how it goes. As you can see, this is a beautiful website that you can get started with. So as you can see, different niches, different type of website that you would be interested in building. So this can be actually great if you want to start a web design type of services. As I said, one of the best ways to make money online is actually offering services through your website. So if you can rank for website designing, or that you just need to get a dental clinic, a doctor who needs a website, and you can come and customize this website easily in an hour to 3 hours, and you'll be able to get them to pay you for their website, right? Because this is a detailed website ready to. These are awesome detailed designed websites, right? As you can see, a lot of niches that you can come into. You got fashion, lifestyle blog, you got an accountant, you got just different things, right? That's the best part about even real estate, car washes, life coach. So basically, you have almost everything that you need for free. You just need to install them and then customize. So this is really, really breathtaking. I'm really amazed at the amount of themes that you can actually, websites to be honest, that you can actually customize and make into your own website within a couple of hours of simply getting your web hosting and signing up for WordPress. So this brings us to a total of just about $30 a month, or just above $100 a year to get started with a website and get it out there, which is like the best way I've been able to create a website in my entire life of creating different websites that I've been able to launch in different ways. So this is the best that I can actually recommend to you to do. So if you got any questions, don't forget to join the Facebook group. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn notifications, and leave a comment down below. Leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So don't forget the link to get your discount to get started with your website is down below, and then you can just follow the steps that I've showed you in this video to get your website up and running. So I wish you all the success that you can get, and thanks for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.